Check out this 2008 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. That responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.